Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So you have blocked someone on Facebook and now you change your mind and you want to know how can you unblock them. You're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you unblock someone on Facebook in a very easy and clear method. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now since we're going to be using the Facebook app, head out to your Play Store or App Store depending on what device you're using. And then from there search for Facebook and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process, guys. After that you can quit the store. Now let's head out to the Facebook app. Make sure you are logged in here and then go to the menu by tapping the profile picture in the top right corner right here. Here we are on the menu. We need to go to settings now, so you can tap on the gear icon in the top right or you can tap on settings here in the bottom right there. From settings, scroll down until you find an option that says blocking. You can find it here or you can find it easily by tapping the search icon in the top right corner right there, and you can search for block or blocking and it will appear in the results at the top. Here it is in the results. Go ahead and tap on it. And here, guys, you find every single person that you have ever blocked on Facebook. To unblock any of these accounts, you can tap on unblock right next to the name of the account that you want to unblock. You'll get this window. You can tap on unblock right here and they will be unblocked right away, but they won't be back on your friends list if they were there in the first place. Before you unblock them, make sure that this is the right decision you want to do, because once you unblock them, you cannot block them again for 48 hours. So think wisely and then you can go ahead and unblock them. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please leave your comments and questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video.